Back again. So we saw Nasdaq, and again, I just want to look at gold. But before looking at gold, I think let me just take a look at DXY, the US dollar index. Let me see if I have it here. So I just want to look at DXY. Yeah, for some good reason, DXY. Yeah, it's the one actually which measures the movement of all tradable instruments. Yeah, so basically, like we saw Nasdaq, we hoping to sell off Nasdaq. Yeah, it would be literally the opposite. Yeah, if we look at DXY. So we looked at Nasdaq, and again, I'm yet to look at gold. DXY, let's map it rightly from daily. Oh, DXY definitely on daily, it's a definite buy. You could see it's a definite buy. It's bullish. You could see that this is the most recent daily range from here to here. Let me see. Okay, this is our daily range, and this is our most recent demand, daily demand that I'm marking. Well, so we can see on daily that price is literally mitigating the discounted area on daily. And what are we hoping to see within the discounted area? We're hoping to see a continuation to buy, because now this will be the completion of the retracement, the complex pullback. We're still bullish, yes. And another thing, I could see on daily is clear enough. Price is currently high actually within demand, even if you check the fib on the daily within demand. So anytime we can confirm buys on DXY. So H4 we saw this entire sell is not doesn't mean that actually we are bearish. We're not bearish. This is just a complex pullback we saw on daily. You can see this was the daily break of structure, and price broke with a massive expansion leg. Now it's just mitigating back. The reason why it's mitigating back, because I don't see any imbalance down here. The imbalance, I don't see it. Currently what I see price currently sitting on the demand area. This is the demand area of which we see price currently on. So let me see if I can try to solidify it. So basically, I don't see a price can maybe literally just grab liquidity from this. We have some liquidity here. I would call it maybe some kind of trend line liquidity here. Let me just mark it nice. We are on H4. Yes, maybe take out this liquidity, a slight push down before it now continues to buy. So H1, let me see H1 basically we almost we're gonna be waiting only for a confirmation with a chalk, and our confirmation with a chalk on H1, we will be hoping to see price breaking above this most recent high, short-term high on H1. Then we see that we could confirm a what, a buy. As you see, this was what, a falling channel. Is it a falling channel? Let me see. Without trading, definitely you can see this contraction is within a falling channel. You can see, so in time we could expect a drastic rally or break up. Yes, after a slight manipulation. So gold is always opposite to the DXY. It's the same, just like Nasdaq. Gold moves just like Nasdaq. So what I saw on Nasdaq is what exactly I'm expecting to see on gold. You can see on daily we're still bearish, because on gold this is our most recent lower high. You see gold. Yes, this is the daily lower high and lower low. So this is our daily range. Let me put a fib. This is the wrong tool that I've chosen. So basically this could be our trading range. So price is already within the supply, but still we are bearish because daily already confirmed us with a choke, a daily choke. Yeah, we bearish. The reason why we bearish is this: a choke and series of break of structure. This was the second confirmation. Yes. So H1, we see price is currently actually sitting within this supply area. You can see this order block. Yes, this is the order block, and this is the daily level that I drew, which signifies the daily lower high. So we're still within the supply area, unless maybe when NFP comes out, unless this lower high gets broken out. When price maybe forces itself and breaks it out, we have to confirm, will it be a clear break of market structure? If it breaks out, then we would opt to confirm a continuation to buy. But if it fails, then we're gonna have setups and confirmations to sell. H1, we've been in the range. You can see, let me just go to 15 minutes. We can see on H1 and H4 we've been bullish. Yes, this bullishness is just a complex pullback. Doesn't mean that gold was bullish. This is just a complex pullback. Literally, in layman's time, you can say it was the retracement back to the supply area in order to continue to sell. So H1, you could see it's a clear bullish structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows. And what are you expecting? Wherever there's an expansion, let's say this is the H1 trading range. What do you expect? We're expecting most of the time price to mitigate back. But in the long run, on higher time frame like daily, we see this should be a complex pullback. So we're hoping in the near future or next week or next week precisely, we shall be even targeting. We are probably targeting this daily low and low. Yes, because we have some areas here to tap, some areas of demand below here. So basically, what I'm seeing on gold is the same thing I saw on Nasdaq. H1, I can see a consolidation. It's because of the news we're waiting for, NFP. So this is what I see. This is what I see. This is basically what I see. So this is gold, entirely gold. So for us to be able to confirm, so we're waiting for the news to come out. When the news come out, so this is the external range up. We have some buy side liquidity up here. So we would expect a slight manipulation. Yes, after that slight manipulation, then we see price confirmation. We shall need to look at this most recent swing low on 15. This is a short-term low on 15. This will be our choke level. Yes, on 15. Yeah. So when it breaks and gives us a choke level, then we shall confirm a sell. But if maybe it breaks up and we have a massive bullish move, then we could call it a continuation. So we would also continue to buy. So basically, it's always good to wait for the first initial spike to pass so that you can see the correct market structure aligned. So when I see gold, I just see a drop. The reason why I'm seeing a drop is because of all of this internal range liquidity, and moreover, we can see a rising channel. So basically, this is what I see. Yes, the sell will happen. It is likely to happen. The sell is likely to happen. So